PETNC hair ball soft chew. In my opinion, I feel this cat snack, the size is too big. Let me try. Oh my cat, you see how very big. I give one. You see, he doesn't eat. Let me try the second cat. Yeah. You see, he doesn't eat. Okay, Meow Meow. Meow Meow, you want to try? Meow Meow. No cat one. Even this foodie cat doesn't want to eat. No cat want. How about this 14 pounds new cat? You see, no cat want. This product, 4 cats don't want to eat. Oh, maybe I can use this cat snack to make a puzzle. I suggest you guys should do a better work. At least my cats don't eat at all. But it's good for kids to make a puzzle. See? No affection to this brand. Oh my god!